Summer.
Oh.
Then later Marcel will speak.
I came here 20 times. There must be an explanation for that. No, the caves are beautiful. The cave you found, the Central Cave, is very beautiful one. And all the river cave, now dry, old, with fantastic columns, formations. Maybe one of the best here in summer, of course.
Oh, Marcel, what can you say about your caving in summer for coming many times?
If it was not so amazing, I think I do not come back. But it's so amazing that I come back every 2 years, you know, for 24 years now in summer.
Yeah, so you are now already.
So I think I'm quite summarized.
Summarized already. Also, Guido will be summarized also.
Maybe.
More than summarized.
Maybe. I can say Filipino.
Yeah.
Quite Filipino.
Yeah. So we already finished our caving. Now it's already night time and we're going back to Catbalogan. Yeah, Kati, say something.
Yes. Very beautiful cave in summer.
Yeah.
Yes,
She must visit and come again.
yes, I'll come back.
Dua ka tuig.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Dua ka tuig.
Babalik kamo dua katuig.
Guido, babalik every year.
Babalik. Yeah, I try. Babalik every year.
As soon as
If I can. Still.
As long as still alive.
And even 2 times a year if should be possible. But a little
good.
difficult. We see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
I hope to come back in 2017
Yeah, for the anniversary.
for the 30th anniversary of my first coming in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Big fiesta
Yeah.
with lechon.
How about Guido? When is your anniversary of the Philippines?
It's this year because I came here in '85 first time. So this is my 30th year in
Kuratsa. Kuratsa.
Tanduay like a river. Tanduay like a river.
Yeah.
We'll buy Tanduay tonight.
Good.
The river of Tanduay.
Yeah.
Tanduay must flow like a river.
Swim in the Tanduay River.
Yes.
Drown.
Yeah, nice
Drown
cave
it in
summer.
Tanduay river. Oh, yeah.
Good. So good.
So good.
Party time in Catbalogan. Yeah.